Hello, I'm Amber Cooper. I'm an educator for IdHAIR North America, and I'm here today to share some product knowledge. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today's product spotlight, I will be sharing IdHAIR Elements Xclusive's Moisture Leave-In Conditioning Cream. This leave-in conditioner offers smoothness and repairing agents from coconut oil and hydrolyzed pea protein. It comes with all the bells and whistles. It's all vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and has non-allergenic perfume. Moisture Leave-In Conditioning Cream is easily applied by having a palmful of your product easily applied to your towel-dried hair. Make sure that it is freshly clean so that way your deep hydration can go right where it needs. You can apply this anywhere where your hair may need some extra moisture. And once it's in, all you have to do is style as usual. If you love gaining IdHAIR product knowledge and styling tips, follow this channel, and you can also follow us at IdHAIR North America on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.